What do you do if you've been injured while you're riding in a Lyft or an Uber? First of all, you need to see an attorney because those cases can be very complicated. The insurance coverage for a Lyft or an Uber driver changes dramatically as to whether they are on a call. In other words, you might have been injured by a Lyft or an Uber driving your personal vehicle and a Lyft or Uber driver runs into you, or you might have been riding with a Lyft or Uber driver. The coverage changes dramatically based on what the Uber driver or Lyft driver was doing. The other part about it is if you're riding, let's say you're riding in the Uber or the Lyft and you got 2 or 3 friends with you, and let's say it was somebody else's fault. Okay, now you might be sharing insurance coverage with the driver of the Uber or the Lyft, and you may need to have an attorney to assert your claim, competition to their claim. It could be that everybody's injuries, we've had cases like this where everybody's injuries were so severe that the insurance for the Lyft drivers and the Uber drivers that were involved wasn't enough. And so we had to use our clients' uninsured motorist coverage to get them extra coverage to compensate them. Those cases can get very, very complicated. And in order to make sure you get what you deserve after an Uber or a Lyft crash, you need to go see a lawyer who has some experience litigating against those companies.